Hello the internet, I'm here with another unboxing. This is the Ampligame A8 by FIFINE. It is an RGB gaming microphone. What is a gaming microphone? Well, let's take a look inside the box and see what we've got. It is a stunning pink microphone. It does come in other flavours if you have a touch of the fragile masculinities. Let's just get it out there, take a look. It is a that's a pretty solid microphone. It's got a nice rubberized base, sits there. This is bouncing up and down, pink wobbly things bouncing up and down. Yep, but that's good for vibration suppression. There's all the usual bits and doodahs to help you attach it to your mic stand. There's also a bit of a pop shield here. Let's pop the pop shield in. There we go. That will stop any plosives from being too plosive. There was I think an instruction manual in here, but it's all fairly basic. What I do like about this though is two things. The first is the cable. So fairly normal cable, but for once, USB-C. Yes, everything is USB-C now. So if we look at the bottom of this, let me just unscrew that. Okay. Woo! Pink flappy things all the way. You can see at the bottom there, now there's two holes. One is your USB-C, which goes in there. Let's plug that in. Great. The other is for headphones. So you can stick just a wide pair of headphones in there and you get monitor out support from the microphone, so you can see, you can hear how you're sounding to other people, which is rather nifty. Now, this has a few other features. What I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this into a USB port off screen that you cannot see, and you will begin to understand what makes this such a weirdly interesting microphone. There we go. Yes. As you can see, it glows. This is, if you're busy doing your video podcast or your live streaming, you will get a glow. Now, on the top here, let's see if we can focus in on that. There's a button. You press that, and it mutes. You could possibly see that it's gone red there, but this means that if you want to mute yourself, you don't need to fiddle around in the settings. You just tap the top, muted. Want to unmute? Tap it again. It wobbles. Doesn't it wobble delightfully? And somewhere on here, I think, is there a button to change how red, green or blue it goes? I don't know. I've not read the instruction manual, but isn't that... Oh, hang on. What? We've got a little button there. So that's... Yeah, there we go. You can tap that. Do you want a red microphone? Do you want a orangey microphone? Do you want green? Do you want blue, pink, yellow, red, orange? All the different... Oh, hang on. I like the rainbow one the best. There we go. Yeah, this is it. It's a perfectly decent microphone. I've plugged it into Linux. Works absolutely fine. It's USB, so it will work in your PlayStation, your Xbox, anything you like. Really useful just to be able to go mute, unmute, something like that. I just love the way it looks. I really do. I like the fact that it glows. It's a bit more fun. It's going to make your conference calls so much more interesting. And yeah, this is it. There'll be a full write-up and specs on my blog coming up. Bye-bye.